Yo, what's up fam? Welcome to a new video. We are out today pretty late. I have not really a goal today, I'm just driving around a little bit. I actually had to remove the side windscreens of my bike today because I broke one side. Like the screw holder, or the hole for the screw just broke, I don't know how. Like I said, we have not really a specific goal today. I'm just driving around a little bit. I actually finally did not forget to clean my visor. So yeah, how you doing? I hope everybody is fine. I don't know if you realized that in my last video there was a situation where I talked to a guard and I asked him like what happens because there's so much security at the moment. And he told me like actually somebody got shot. Now I know that a person got robbed, and this person who got robbed thought like he was thinking it's a joke, so he didn't take it that serious. And then the robber basically just shoot him. He survived it. He went to the hospital. Was not like serious injured, but yeah, which is like crazy. So for everybody who see this video here, please always be aware of what can happen. Doesn't mean it will happen, but just be aware if like stuff like this happens. Yeah, even if somebody tried to rob you or something, just give them your stuff. Like, doesn't matter what it is or what you have on you, but you know, your life matters more than a little bit of money or a phone. Can't believe how much I enjoy to drive the street here, especially in the night time. What I actually just realized, I almost hit 100 subscribers. I mean, people will laugh about this low amount, but I can say I really appreciate it because I just run this channel since a month, around about a month now, a little bit over a month. I started end of December, and reaching 100 subscribers in this, let's say like short amount of time is like crazy. So to everybody who see that here, really thank you. I really appreciate the support. If you have any suggestions for videos in the future, just let me know. And for the last week I didn't upload a video. I had no time to record something. I have a little bit stuff going on in the background at the moment, and it was kinda time consuming. But I will promise you this week at least 2 videos, like that one that I record right now with you. And I will publish a 3 AM video as well. For those who don't know what that means, my 3 AM videos are basically just driving around, just the sound of the motorbike, music, and that's it. I'm not talking in these videos. This is just like a format of me where I basically, even while driving, I don't need to think about what I'm saying. It is just relaxing, like a relaxing format. So if you enjoy stuff like this also, then check out my 3 AM playlist. I have like 2 different playlists on my channel. There's one playlist for like the normal vlogs that I do, like that one that I record right now, and there's the 3 AM playlist. There's like 2 videos at the moment where I'm just driving around without talking. Sometimes I'm kinda happy that I have an adventure bike. There's the entire street missing here. But you know what? I'm not going to Vermosa. I just go out here and then I don't know where to go. Just for you that you know it, maybe if you live somewhere around this area here, or if you are Filipino and living here, I have actually no idea where I'm going because I'm not familiar with the areas here, so I just drive all the time. Oh, that looks like a huge street. That's okay for me. So let's see where this street leads us to. I think it's the direction of Tagaytay, but I have no idea. It's crazy. Here, it is allowed to drive 60 kilometers per hour on the street. I'm driving 70 and I feel bad already. And then there's a car coming with like whatever. What is it driving? 100 or more? City of Dasmariñas. Okay, we're in Dasmar. It is a nice area to drive here. I was never here. I have no idea where I am. Only thing I can complain is like this bumpy street. Aha, Tagaytay. What about We just drive over to Tagaytay in the nighttime. I've never seen Tagaytay at night. Dasmariñas, Robinsons. What is that? It's Robinsons. For you that you understand how late we have, it is 3:27 in the morning, so pretty early. I actually have the problem to get my bike in the neutral. I don't know if it's a CFMoto thing or if that is maybe just on this bike here. I mean, it's a 2019 version, it's a little bit old already, but it is so hard to get it into neutral. What I personally don't understand of the street conditions here in the Philippines, maybe somebody can explain me that. Is this street always so bad? Or what means bad, but does it have such a condition because the materials are not good they use, or is it just basically because of the heat here in the country? You understand what I mean? Like the street mostly, like you see that it's always like there's holes and they put stuff in it like permanently. But what I'm wondering is, because I don't know that from Europe, like not, at least not like this, but has it something to do with the material, or has it something to do with the temperature? Or is it a combination of both? I can't see shit. Now it's quite dark. Yeah, you see like the difference sometimes. It is still the same street, but look how it was looking like 500 meters behind me and how it's looking right now. I have no idea how the picture is at this nighttime or when it's so less light. Because for me, like when I look straight, it might be because of the cars of the opposite lane. I can see stuff, but it is pretty black. That's the thing where I say like it's pretty dangerous to drive here at night times, because you got always blended from the opposite side. They call it blended, like flash banked. Look, I can't even see the lane. Or is it just my eyes? I mean, of course, on the camera it looks totally different compared to that what I see. Looks like I am in Silang. I would be so hard lost if I would not just drive the entire time straight. I have absolutely no idea where the heck I am. I can clearly say it's getting crazy cold here. I feel that I'm driving up a mountain the entire time. Oh yeah, I'm already at Tagaytay. If you remember was it the first video on my channel? I'm not sure. Might be the first video. Or the second one at least. I was driving around here and was showing everybody like the area here and the Taal volcano and stuff like this. That's actually here. Ending up a little bit random here, but hey, that's okay. Whoa. What the fuck? This guy just go. He don't care. That was hella dangerous, like seriously. Okay. Got the scooter gang in front of me again. I have to close my helmet, it's so cold here. That's why I don't like Tagaytay. It's just too cold for me. Okay, I think I am outside of Tagaytay already. Here's just a restaurant area. I slowly have to turn around because here's nothing coming anymore. Yeah, okay. Here's really nothing anymore. Alright, let me take a stop here. I think that's a good place to end the video because you see the beautiful view down there. I hope the camera is catching it. There's actually the Taal volcano on the left side, somewhere over in this direction. Can't see it. But now you got a nice view above the, what is it called? That thing down there. My English is too bad, sorry. So boys, I'm done with the video from today. We even have nice stars here. So thank you very much. Sorry for the delay in this video. There's my baby, as you see, without the side screens here on the side. There's normally two pieces, but I broke up one, so I removed the other one. But anyways, I want to exchange it in the future, so just have to rebuy them and put them on it until when I sell it. So yeah, thank you very much for getting into the video. If you want to support me, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll see us in the next one. So what's going on here? So with these words and this beautiful view at night, bye bye and good night.
Late night ride, I'm in my zone. Street lights.